Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm good.
Good. What's your name?
My name is Irfan and I'm from India. And your
India.
name?
My name's Jessica.
And you're
Uh,
from?
I'm from England, but I live in Turkey.
Oh wow, yeah. This is my second time I'm meeting second girl from Turkey. Actually, last
Ah.
day, last second, like I mean, yesterday I talked to a girl and she was from Turkey, but so sad. Call get disconnected, so I won't be able
Ah.
to ask so many things from about Turkey.
Okay. You can ask me. I can try and answer.
Yeah, of course. Okay, so I was asking about your, Ertugrul Ghazi. That is a serial. Have you heard about that?
Say again.
Artrul Artrul Ghazi.
No, I don't know.
Drills Artugrul.
Say again. I can't hear you.
Okay, okay. Wait. I'll send you the name. Okay, this one. Do you know this?
No, I don't.
Oh, so sad. It is really interesting, and it's in whole India right now.
What is it?
It's actually the revolution of like Muslims, I guess. It's like
It's a
that.
TV show or?
Yeah, TV show. Yeah.
I feel like I know the name. I recognize the name.
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, you
Yes.
recognize from name, right?
Yes, I recognize from the Turkish television.
Okay, so you are not going back to Turkey.
So I live in Turkey
So right now
now.
you are in England, right?
No, I'm from England, but I live in Turkey.
Okay, okay. That's why you don't know more about
Yes.
Turkey, right?
Yes. I don't know so much. I've lived here 1.5 years only.
Okay, why? What are you doing there?
My husband is Turkish. That's why.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah. Um,
That's why. So
yes, that's why I moved here. But I miss England.
you're missing England, right?
Yes, yeah. It's very different living in Turkey, but
Oh,
it's okay.
it's okay. You can manage, right?
Yeah, it's okay. It's very different. Culture is very different, but yeah, everybody's at home now anyway because of the virus. So,
Yeah.
unfortunately,
So you are married.
yes, I
You have
am.
kids. You have kids.
Yes, I have a daughter.
Oh,
Yeah,
nice,
she's
nice,
10 months old.
Oh, it's too good.
Yeah, she's very young.
So you are also too young. You are so beautiful.
I'm 25.
Yeah, you are beautiful.
Thank you.
Can you remove your glasses?
My glasses, no, I can't see.
You can't see.
No, my eyes are really bad, and I get very bad. If I take my
But
glasses off, I get bad headaches.
oh, Teddy.
Yeah,
Can I see your eyes like only a little bit?
no, no,
Because if you show me your eyes, then you'll be more beautiful. Yeah.
no. It's okay.
Yeah,
Um,
yeah, कोई
but
नहीं.
no, yeah, I have blue eyes. That's all. They're not
Blue eyes.
interesting. Yeah, I have blue
Oh,
eyes.
I
Yeah,
like blue eyes.
most people have
Here in
blue.
India, in India, it is a song. Blue eyes, no ties, तेरी कर दिए मैनू.
Nice. It's nice singing. Are
Yeah.
you a singer or do you have another job?
I'm sports person.
Okay. What do you
Uh-huh.
play?
I play cricket
For what? For a team or?
for team. Yeah. Sure.
What team?
For my state team, for my district team as well.
Ah, okay. It's very popular in India and England.
Yeah.
Yeah. Have you been to England?
No, but maybe in
Never.
future.
Yeah, maybe you can go play cricket.
Yeah, maybe yes.
You could maybe play for the Indian cricket team.
Yeah, I'll prefer India against England, surely.
Yeah, yeah. It's a good. It's a hard match, but we'll see.
Yeah,
I
it's
mean,
hard. It's hard,
yeah, yeah.
but it takes a lot of time to reach there as well. So maybe it will take me 2 to 3 years, I guess. After
So,
hard working, it's very famous in India.
yeah, of course, so popular.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice to meet you. Our time's nearly finished.
Yeah, nice to meet you too. Bye.
You too, bye.